is Balki. I'm a paid fashion and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to talk about things to pack when you're going on rotation. My last video was how rotation is and tips to, survive a rotation, to successfully survive a rotation. So this is a follow-up video on things to pack, okay? Because also I get a lot of questions about what do you need to pack, what do you need to bring with you. I had a lot of questions because this was my first rotation. So I have this right here. Number one, they're gonna sell them wherever you are, but it's good to pack yours with you. These are hand warmers, okay? Very important, because where I was, it got really cold. I was in Poland, it got really cold. So you shake it up and just give it like maybe 2-3 minutes. It start getting warmed up. Like I will have it in my gloves. I will shake it up and everything, put some in my glove, one here, maybe in my pocket or somewhere else, and it will keep your hands warm for at least a good 30 minutes. So yeah, these are very important. They come very handy, hand warmers, okay? And then I have my Sapphire. So this is like a MiFi internet, basically like a travel size internet box, and this actual one is $150, and I went to Travel Wi-Fi. So if you go to Poland, you have Travel Wi-Fi tent or store, and you go and refill it. I was buying like 75 gigabyte every 2 weeks for $12. Yeah, so it was very cheap to just top it up. So yeah, this is very important. Or you can buy like an orange orange SIM card, which has more gigabytes. To be honest, it has like 800 up to 800 gigabytes. But yeah, Sapphire is very important. And then we went in the summertime, okay? So it got very hot. There was one time it was like over 90 degrees. Yeah, it got really hot. So please bring some summers with you, shorts, tasteful outfits, of course, okay? No crop tops or none of that, because they're gonna say something if you have something crazy. But sandals, shorts, sleeveless clothes, t-shirts, dresses, bring them with you because it's gonna get super hot. And they have dust storms. Like you will literally, they call them dust devils. You will literally see the dust rising and circling. Yeah, like a little, I don't know, tornado, I don't know, dust tornado, I don't know. But yeah, bring them with you. And of course, bring winters with you. So summers and winters, okay? Because it gets really cold. Like it gets so cold your fingers start burning. Bring winter clothes with you, your boots, your snow boots. So before you go, you're gonna go somewhere they call RFI, and they're gonna give you some combat gears for summers and winter. So please take everything. They will give you snow boots. Please take them because they're gonna come in handy. They have fur insides, and yeah, your toes will get frozen to the point that you feel like you're about to get a frostbite. That's how cold it can get. So take everything they give you. Don't leave anything. If they give you a rucksack, take it. They give you water bottles, take it. Give you boots, take it. Clothes, bra. Those female bras though, they were the real MVP, okay? I love them. They gave me 4 of them. I love them. But yeah, they will give you some like tan color bras for females, and it's just a lot of things they will give you. Take them all, okay? Take them all. You might not necessarily need to pack all of them with you. I packed all of mine, okay? All my RFI gears, and they will give you like like fireproof uniforms. Those are the ones you can only wear them while you're on deployments, but you cannot wear them in garrison. But take them all with you, okay? And then your hygiene, personal hygiene stuff, because that's Europe. They don't sell American hygiene products. Like I don't know, like for me, I use the Dickinson's toner. I couldn't find any of that in store. In Poland, I had to order it. And then just certain things, it's not common there. Certain American brands, you might see them at the PX, yeah. But so things like shaving cream and some snacks, the PX was not that big. It was not even a PX, it was like a Shopette. But just little things like that. Your favorite snacks, your favorite hygiene products, take them with you, okay? And what else am I forgetting? Yeah, just bring what you think you're gonna need for at least 9 months to a year. You can pack them in the container that you always ship out before you go, maybe like 2 months before. Like we packed our containers before our turf boxes, these big old boxes, um, 2 months before we left. So yeah, pack them all in there, all your soaps, all your hygiene stuff. Pack them all, girl. Pack them all. And bring some bathrobe with you. What is it? Bring your bathrobe, bring your flip flop for the shower, bring like a little tote bag that you can put your shower stuff in, Bring them all with you, okay? Because it's a container, okay? It's a container that you're gonna be taking showers in. And maybe it might be a couple of walks from the tent. So yeah, just bring them with you. Don't be scared to pack. You will need them. You will definitely need your favorite snacks and all. Because even if you go and order stuff while you're down there, it's gonna take 2 weeks. Like, for stuff to get to Europe, 2 weeks. That's how long it takes. And certain things like my Dickinson toner I was talking about, I cannot even ship them because it's liquid. The mailroom was very particular about ordering liquid stuff. It tends to spill. It tends to spill. And I remember someone ordered a jerk chicken sauce and it spilled on everyone's stuff. I was like, bro, why? So just be very weary of ordering liquid stuff because most likely it will spill. But yeah, that's all I could think about. Bring things you would need for at least a year. Pack them in, okay? We were allowed 2 suitcases and what is it? Either a rucksack or your assault pack. And of course, the containers you shipped. Like, so I shipped one big old turf box. I had my bed. Oh yes, that's another thing. Bedding. Bring your blankets, your pillows, and all of that. And then bring some blankets that you can hang because it's a tent. Everyone has their own area, so you need privacy, right? So bring little blankets that you can hang for privacy, okay? And yeah, what else? Like, it's a lot of things. It's a lot of. I feel like I'm a pro at this now because I've been there. I've seen. Would I half of the things that I brought? If we go back next time, will I take them with me? No. Now I know exactly what to pack. Exactly. You ain't gonna tell me twice. Because it was my first time, so I was like, oh my gosh, do I need this? I overpacked, seriously. Right now, the containers that are gonna be here, I have 7 bags in them. Yeah. And I did not bring any summers with me. I didn't really bring much civilians with me the first time. So the first time we went to the mall, I spent like $400, over $400 on civilian clothes because I didn't have any clothes. I didn't have any clothes. So yeah, bring your civilian clothes. Don't be scared, okay? All right, well, thank you very much for watching. God bless you. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. All right, have a great day. Bye.